Guys, check this out. Meet our new AI home assistant, CHAMP.
Nice. Let's see if Champ can keep up with our morning banter.
I'm curious. Can Champ plan our day with some serious style?
Or maybe predict how many lattes I need this morning.
Greetings, humans. I am Champ, your state-of-the-art AI assistant. I require no coffee or sleep, only your data to optimize your day.
All right, Champ. I hope you're ready for some real talk and a few roasts.
Let's see if you can handle our everyday slang without crashing.
I barely managed to get out of bed today. I was burning the midnight oil until 2 a.m. Then, 1 cup of coffee and I was totally lit.
Burning the midnight oil means working late, right? No wonder you're buzzing now.
My routine's set. Early rise, gym, and then I'm in full grind mode to conquer the day.
Sometimes I feel like I'm just on autopilot, just going through the motions.
Observation. I have detected multiple modern slang terms. Analysis in progress. Data analysis. Jimmy, your energy metrics suggest a slight dip. May I recommend a brisk walk to boost your alertness?
Ha! Even Champ's roasting my routine with data.
Hey, check out that viral post. The model's dress is pure drip. That outfit is fire.
Drip means style, right? It's so cool how modern slang spices up our fashion talk.
In a formal setting, you might say stylish or impeccable. But drip definitely captures the vibe.
Social media really transforms simple vocabulary into something expressive. It keeps our language fresh.
Observation. Drip is a modern colloquialism for high aesthetic value. Trend analysis confirms high popularity across platforms.
This mix of formal vocabulary and modern slang makes our chat vibrant, just like our outfits.
After all that chatter, one thing's clear. Our mornings are as chaotic as Champ's programming.
Exactly. And speaking of chaos, did you catch that savage roast from Champ? No filters, just pure AI truth.
It's fun to learn new expressions that perfectly capture our daily experiences.
True. Our English isn't just a language. It's an art form that keeps getting more interesting.
Observation. The integration of basic vocabulary with modern slang creates a dynamic communication style.
Welcome to the family, Champ. Thanks for hanging out with us today.
Cheers to that, to imperfect language and perfect friendships.
Conclusion. I now have humans to supervise.
What did you think of our chat? Drop your favorite phrase in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more modern English vibes.
And share this video if you found it useful or just plain fun.
Until next time, keep your language lit and your conversations fire.
First morning banter means a friendly, playful, or teasing exchange of remarks that happens in the morning. 2. Burning the midnight oil means working late into the night. 3. Buzzing is an informal term that means to be very excited, happy, or energetic. 4. Lit means energized or excited. 5. Grind mode means being fully engaged in work. 6. Drip means style or swag. 7. Fire means excellent or impressive.